Okay children, this is very interesting exercise. We want to fill the blanks, but the option was given here. So let's see what are the option was given here. Okay, before that we just read it out the heading carefully, then we can move into the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We want to fill the blanks with the correct beginning blends. We want to correct beginning blends using the correct beginning blends which was given in the option. By using this we are going to fill the blank. Okay, what are the options? First see what are the options was given here. FL, okay, GR, CH, THR, GL, BL, SCR. Okay, these are the options was given. Okay, let's see the exercise, then we will come to the end. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's go with the first one. A girl is what doing? She's having a balloon in his hand. She's blowing. Blue. You are getting a B sound. Where is the B starting here? Yes, blue. Blue means you are blowing the balloon. Blue. Okay. Next, this is, here is the two children. The children are here. They are throwing the balls. He threw it. Okay, if he finished that action throw, so it will become a threw. We are getting a THR. Where is the THR in the options? Yes, here is a THR. THR, threw, because the boy is already throw the ball. Okay, the action happened already. Yes, if you happened, if the action happened already, then we will say it as a threw, not a throw. It's a threw. Okay, this bird is flied already. Yes, it's not beginning. It's a flew. It's a flew. Where is a flew? Yes, here is a flew. FLEW, flew. Okay, first I am just writing the letter, then I will explain the meaning of each and every picture and its particular word. Okay, next tell me what is this? This is screw. Very good. Yeah, tell me loudly, screw. Tell me loudly, screw. What is the spelling? You are getting screw. Yes, you are getting the yes sound, isn't it? Where is the yes? In the option, something is getting starting with yes. Where it is? Yes, here is a yes, CR, screw. Yes, CR, screw. Okay, let's see here. This is, what is this? This is a baby, and the baby grow little bit, and the infant will go like a kid, and kid to youth, and youth to middle age, then after age, and he become a grandfather. This is a grew. He grown, isn't it? He grew. You are getting a G sound. Grew. G R, grew. Okay, let's see here. What is this? This is a glue, isn't it? This is a glue. Already GR is finished. Glue. What is this? Glue. Yes, you're getting a G sound as well as L sound. Glue. Okay, glue. This is a glue. GLUE. It's here itself giving the spelling. Glue. Okay, listen here. This is a sheep. The sheep is eating something, isn't it? The sheep is chewing. Chew. You have a CH sound. Chew. Yes, what is this? Chew. Yes, CH. What is this? CH sound. CH. Chew. Okay, listen. Here is the one spray bottle. What is the color of the spray bottle? Blue. Yes, for UE was given. Where is the first two letter? Blue. This end starting with B. Yes, here is a BL. Blue. BL. L, blue. Okay, the first step was finished. We just written the starting letter. Now I am going to tell the meaning of each and every letter. Okay, so listen here. Here is a girl. She is blowing the balloon, isn't it? He is blowing the balloon. B-L-E-W, blue. Okay, this is a different blue and this is a different blue. Don't get confused, children. Okay, here the children, they are playing with the ball. Okay, the boy threw the ball, threw the ball. So T-H-R-E-W, threw. Okay, listen here. This is a bird. It get flew. It's not a fly, it's get flew. The bird get flew means a bird flied already. Okay, tell me the spelling. F-L-E-W, flew. Okay, you know it. This is a screw. S-C-R-E-W, screw. Okay, this is grew. From baby to a grandfather, he get grew, isn't it? Grew. G-R-E-W, grew. This is glue. G-L-U-E, glue. Okay, this is chew. The sheep is chewing the grass. Chew. C-H-E-W, chew. Okay, and this is a spray bottle. And then what is the color of the spray bottle? Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, children, now you understand? Yes, let's move to the next exercise.